Stephanie with me. We're going to share with you a very cool West Coast swing dance sequence that we taught our Thursday people, and we hope you use it. That's why we do this. This is something a friend of ours named because of what it kind of looks like, a walking samba. So Wamba, I didn't name it, but we're going to keep it that. But it does require some delicate touch of a lead. You're going to start with her left hand, my right hand. Walk, walk. She's going to move down the track, triple step. 1, 2, triple step, and then another triple step. That's going to be her footwork. Guys off the track to her left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Now for the ladies, that's their footwork. Gentlemen, what you need to do, after 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, I'm going to move up to her and put my hands on her hips, lower part of her rib cage for a 5 and 6. Because of what you need to do for the next part. So what it looks like when you add a little bit more speed to it is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. All right, I'm on my right foot, stepping back on my right foot and pulling her forward onto her left foot. Now obviously you're in a delicate area. You want to keep your hands near her hips, lower part of her rib cage, right there. Find the right spot that you're going to do this next part with, because this is where the walking takes place. So after the sugar push, 1, 2, 3, and 4, just needing her left hand to begin. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's a rock and go. Now you're just going to walk back down the track. We're going to walk 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. After the first couple, she's going to know that walking is essential, but how many are you going to do? So we just did 4 for the class, so everybody knows we're on the same page. So after the rock and go, 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock and go. Now she's probably not prepared for you to be so close, but then stay farther enough away. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Even amount of walks to make the next part work. So what you're going to do next is you're going to make it to a turn and a half to her left for a triple ending. I'll show you how to do it. 3, 4. So you got to stay on the track the entire time. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 7 and 8. So when Stephanie feels my hands release from her hips, she feels a turn coming, she raises her arms, gets them out of both of our ways, and after you do the triple to move the time. So you can have more walks. You can go either go backward if you want, or just go one way. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Give her a little push on that last triple. You're going to be too close to her to at least do this part. Now the other option is instead of letting her go, you stay connected. So the same move, it's all the same up to the walks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7 and 8. All right, so it's kind of hard to see that direction. Let's go this way. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Stay connected, and then you do a walk. You can do a triple, and you do a tug. So you get 2 ways to get out of it, but the walks are cool. Slow song works really well. Guys, don't be creepy. Just lead it very well, and she'll feel comfortable with it. And it's a cool move, at least we think it is. So thank you guys for watching. Remember to click that subscribe button for a video. We'll have something. I think we'll have something for you to do next time. Until then, have a great week. And as always, keep dancing.